Hello everyone, welcome back to another camera review. Today in this video, I like to share you guys Honor 400 camera test after 1 month. I am already making this smartphone long time full review and also gaming review. Video link also available in the video description and the I button, check it out. Now let's talk about the camera sensor. The phone comes with a 200 megapixel main sensor, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel selfie camera. The smartphone main camera you can record highest 4K 30 fps video and you also record 1080p with EIS and OIS, and now I am recording 4K 30 fps video and the video quality is not bad, and as you can see that the video quality is average quality. Now let's talk about the picture quality. Daylight you can take a good pictures, all the image color correction, dynamic range and sharpness are pretty good. The 200 megapixel main sensor take a awesome pictures. So let me know in the comment what you think about Honor 400 daylight picture quality. The 12 megapixel ultra wide we can take a decent pictures. Yeah, it's not as good as like a main camera but it's decent. Let's see more picture sample. Now let's talk about the portrait pictures. Portrait mode you can get a 3 option 1x, 2x and 3x portrait mode. Try to click a pictures with a 3x portrait so you can get a excellent portrait. Without telephoto lens, this smartphone also take a great portrait. Now talk about the night photography experience. Night photography experience also very good. The 200 megapixel main sensor take a great pictures in a night. If you have a good lighting condition, you can take these types of pictures, which is very good. Overall, the camera experience is great. What do you think about Honor 400 camera quality? Let me know in the comment. That's all about our Honor 400 camera review. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. And I will be see you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.